You are going to love the 2018 EcoSport. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.